everyone. Hey guys, what's up? Hello guys. Tell me in the comment section which style do you like better. I am very nervous right now, I can't tell you. I'm excited too, but I really don't know how this video is going to turn out. I don't even know if this video is making it to YouTube because I'll be editing this for 10-20 times and I might just cringe over it and never post it. I really pray to God this turns out fine. Last time I recorded something, it was for my acceptance speech for the award I received. So I would like to start this video by telling you all my journey as a content creator and how I started making DIY reels and about upcycling. Upcycling has been a part of my life ever since I was a kid. I remember I was just 5-6 years old and I started picking up old containers, bottles, and I started making something out of it. And it's not something that I learned about in my design college or I was introduced to it in my design college, although I did learn a lot about upcycling garments in my college. So how I started upcycling, as a kid I used to see my parents not letting anything go to waste. Like I used to see my grandma convert old fabrics, old clothes into quilt. I saw my mom doing the same. My dad, he used to turn old containers into planters. And something interesting that really boosted my creativity from that young age. Do college projects, sorry, school projects with my mom, and she really inspired me to use waste materials for it, and people really appreciated it. I think lockdown was really an eye-opener for me. I connected to my roots and what I already used to do, and I started posting DIY reels to educate people about how they can upcycle waste. So let's talk about the denim project that got most attention from all of you. So many of you even tried making that, and it turned out very amazing. I am really glad you all tried it. So many of you also sent me requests to do a tutorial on it, so here it is. Let's get into it. So all you're gonna need for this is a pair of shorts that you no longer wear. Just keep in mind that it has a V-shaped back to it because it helps you give that shape under the bust. And here's the bralette I made. It somehow turned out into something that was more wearable than I thought it would be. So let's get into the video.
So grab a pair of jeans, shorts, 3/4 pant. Cut out the back yoke along with the front part. We will also take some fabric from front. Cutting it is gonna be hard, so just keep trying and keep giving more pressure to your scissors to cut it. Here we have our back yoke separated from the pant. Now we'll cut out the back pockets of the pant. Here I am experimenting ways to give it a cup shape to fit right on the bust. Using a padded bra is the best way to figure out how it's gonna fit on your bust. I finally figured out that making a box pleat is the best option I have. Then I go ahead and secure it with a pin. Here I am using the leftovers to create sides of the bralette. Then I use the leftovers to finish the back as well. Once I have it all pinned, we can go ahead and stitch it up. It's time for some magic. Here I am using the side seams of the jeans to create shoulder strap. And here we have our bralette ready.
If you have made it till the end of this video, I'm really grateful for your time and I'm really grateful for your support. I really hope I keep creating videos like this in future, and bye. Thank you.